Cabbage, humble, hearty, and an essential ingredient in cuisines around the world. But did you know that choosing the right cabbage variety can make a significant difference in your farm or garden's profitability? Whether you're a seasoned farmer, a market gardener, or an enthusiastic home grower, selecting the most productive and profitable cabbage varieties is crucial for maximizing your returns. In this guide, we're exploring the top 5 most profitable cabbage varieties based on yield, market demand, disease resistance, and adaptability. Let's dive deep into the world of cabbages and discover which ones could turn your next harvest into a lucrative success. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Green Acre cabbage. Known for its compact head and excellent storage qualities, Green Acre has become a favorite among commercial growers and small-scale farmers alike. This variety matures in just 60 to 70 days, making it an ideal choice for growers who want a quick turnaround. The heads are dense, weighing between 2 to 4 pounds, and are perfect for fresh markets, coleslaw, and even sauerkraut production. Its adaptability to a range of climates, combined with its resistance to splitting, means lower losses and higher profits for growers. Demand for Green Acre remains strong in local markets, especially in the spring and fall seasons when consumers crave crisp, fresh produce. Coming in at number 4 is the Red Express cabbage. Vibrant, eye-catching, and packed with nutrients, Red Express is the go-to variety for anyone looking to capitalize on the growing demand for colorful salad greens. With a maturation time of just 63 to 70 days, Red Express offers a beautiful deep red color, compact form, and exceptional flavor. It's not only visually appealing, but also resistant to splitting and bolting, which ensures a consistent crop and reduces waste. This variety is particularly profitable in farmers markets and health food stores, where shoppers are willing to pay a premium for antioxidant-rich, colorful vegetables. Adding Red Express to your crop selection can help diversify your offerings and attract a broader range of customers. At number 3, we have the Seavoy King cabbage. This variety stands out for its unique crinkled leaves and tender texture. Seavoy King is a F1 hybrid, prized for its vigorous growth and uniform, large heads that can reach up to 5 pounds. Its flavor is mild and sweet, making it ideal for gourmet dishes, stir-fries, and raw salads. Seavoy King is highly valued in both fresh and specialty markets, where customers seek out premium produce. Its strong resistance to common diseases like black rot and fusarium wilt further enhances its profitability by reducing the need for chemical inputs and lowering the risk of crop loss. If you're looking to add a premium, gourmet product to your lineup, Seavoy King is a top contender. Number 2 on our list is the Early Jersey Wakefield cabbage. This heirloom variety has been a staple in American gardens for over a century, and for good reason. Early Jersey Wakefield produces small, conical heads that mature in just 60 to 70 days, allowing for multiple plantings and harvests throughout the growing season. Its compact size and early maturity mean it can be planted closer together, maximizing yield per square foot. The sweet, tender leaves are perfect for coleslaw and salads, and its historical reputation drives strong demand at farmers markets and specialty grocers. Early Jersey Wakefield is also known for its tolerance to cooler temperatures, making it an excellent choice for early spring and late fall crops. Its reliable performance and market appeal make it a consistently profitable option for growers. Finally, at the top of our list, the number 1 most profitable cabbage variety is the Golden Acre cabbage. This classic variety is renowned for its early maturity, uniform round heads, and excellent productivity. Golden Acre typically matures in just 65 days and produces heads averaging 3 to 4 pounds. Its compact, uniform growth habit allows for dense planting, leading to higher yields per acre or garden bed. Golden Acre's crisp texture and mild flavor make it a favorite for both fresh eating and processing, including sauerkraut and kimchi. Its adaptability to a range of climates and soils, coupled with good disease resistance, means more consistent harvests and fewer losses. Golden Acre consistently fetches top prices at both wholesale and retail markets due to its reliability and quality, making it the most profitable choice for many growers. But how do you choose the right cabbage variety for your farm or garden? Start by considering your local climate, soil conditions, and the preferences of your target market. For northern regions with shorter growing seasons, early maturing varieties like Golden Acre and early Jersey Wakefield are ideal. In warmer climates, heat-tolerant and disease-resistant varieties such as Seavoy King can help ensure a successful harvest. If you're selling at farmers markets or direct to consumers, offering a mix of green and red cabbages can help attract a wider range of customers and boost your sales. It's also important to pay attention to market trends. As more consumers seek out healthy, nutrient-dense foods, demand for colorful and specialty cabbages like Red Express and Seavoy King is on the rise. Diversifying your cabbage varieties not only helps manage risk, but also opens up new revenue streams. Consider planting staggered crops of different maturities to ensure a continuous supply and take advantage of peak market prices. Disease management is another key factor in maximizing cabbage profits. Choose varieties with built-in resistance to common pests and diseases to minimize losses and reduce input costs. Practice crop rotation, use clean seed, and maintain healthy soil to further reduce the risk of disease outbreaks. In conclusion, the top 5 most profitable cabbage varieties, Green Acre, Red Express, Seavoy King, Early Jersey Wakefield, and Golden Acre, offer a combination of high yield, strong market demand, and reliable performance. By carefully selecting the right varieties for your growing conditions and market needs, you can boost your farm's productivity and profitability. Whether you're growing for local markets, restaurants, or home use, these cabbages are proven winners. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of profitable cabbages. With the right choices and a little care, your next cabbage crop could be your most successful yet. Happy planting, and may your harvests be bountiful.